And we've reached this magnificent but mini waterfall at the far end of the beach. So I've headed further down the northern coast, heading westwards to this spot called Ribeira de Janela. And the unusual thing about this, wait till you see it. I've never seen a rock structure like this before, but to get to it, let's head up these steps. Just park at the far end of the village, as close to the sea as you can. What looks like the water going into the sea with a stony beach. But here it is. Just a look at that magnificent structure in front of us. Wow, amazing. And that way is back towards Seixal and South Vincent. And the other way is looking towards Porto direction. And so I've reached my final destination of the day. I'm at the westernmost point of Madeira. It's Farol de Ponta de Pargo, and Farol is lighthouse. So let's get out and take a look. What's out there? Yeah, that's my hire car there. Okay, so the sun is right in front of me, coming into set. So I'll just flip the camera around and just look at that. Now, I've never actually seen the sun touching the sea or the ocean in Madeira at any point at all, but this will be a brand new experience for me. There you go. There is the lighthouse, and there's a viewpoint there. There's a few people there watching and waiting for the sunset. And I'll just pan around to give you an idea of what to expect if ever you visit here. And there's a tunnel you have to go through as well to get here, and just before the tunnel you have the lighthouse bar as well. And I stopped there for a galao before I got here. A bit milky, a little bit on the weak side, but I enjoyed it nonetheless, and it was only €2. That's my car. It's moving as I get. So let's enjoy the rest of this ride. It's going to take about 15 minutes from bottom till top. Well recommended if you want some amazing views of Funchal city and the surrounding area. So epic views all the way around. It's panoramic to the left, to the right, in front and behind me, as you can see. So I'm shouting from the top that I've reached the top and you can't go any further, and this is where it stops. So just waiting for the doors to open any moment now, and here we go into Monte. And that's the Monte Palace Tropical Garden, which we will check out shortly. And as we're approaching Monte Church, here's some of the toboggans which are used for trips heading all the way down, well not quite all the way down, but maybe 2 kilometers down the hill. The Tropical Garden had a hotel in it, and this was the name of it before it's converted to its current offering. Right, so let's have a look at Monte Church. So it's this way, up above where the toboggans were, up these steps. And this is an amazing building. Just look at that in all its splendor in front of me there. Up those steps. Should be easy enough to traverse. I've been up so many steps over the last few days to manage these. That was easy enough. And just the last few there. So I've reached the top of the steps and let's go inside. Looks like they're doing a bit of cleaning here. And looking at the altar. Isn't this magnificent indeed? Wow, the artwork involved too. And you have the Kilkenny colours on that flag too. So I think this is the chap who had the Kilkenny colours around him in that flag. Beto Carlos d'Austria, Blessed Charles, Selig Carl, 1922 to 2022, his centenary. And here's a sneak preview of the toboggan operators. Down below is my little brochure there. This is towards the end of your trip here to the tropical garden.